What's important is that, this is a new engine. The parts, they have to get familiar with each other. And while they do that, they wear in and they produce a bit of metal in the oil. And these engines, actually most generator engines that are portable like this, they have no oil filter. So, the first couple hours of operation, you want to change the oil at least a couple times until you're sure it's coming out clean. So yeah, we will fill it up. I think this takes 600 milliliters. So we're just at the 2-hour mark. I'm going to take the load off the machine. We'll let it cool down a bit. It's kind of surprising how clean this oil is. The machine was running for 2 hours, and usually break-in oil doesn't look this good. So that is a very good sign. So it's been another 2 hours, 4 hours in total, and no issues to report. Yeah, like last time, the oil came out looking pretty good. So I think we are ready for some serious testing.